I don't know. Do we start straight forward or we wait for other students?
Okay, I think let's wait for them. Let's give them some time.
Let's wait small.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how are you? From where are you?
I'm from Kaduna, sir.
From.
Kaduna State.
Okay, okay. So how is
Yes.
studies?
Fine, sir.
So well done, Margaret.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I think maybe before other people join us, let's do one or two things. And I think
Okay.
this is our first time of meeting, right? And
Of course, I is.
you read my profile in visual learning environment, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So without wasting a lot of time, as you know, my name is Dr. Mohamed Hassan Shagal.
Yes, sir.
Senior lecturer in Modibo Adamawa University of Technology, Jola. I will be
Yes, sir.
teaching you people CHM305, which is organic chemistry 3, and CHM318, which is natural product chemistry.
Yes, sir.
So by God's grace, we will be meeting by 11:30, 11 or 11:30. But before any meeting, you check your mail, you will see the schedule of the next meeting. So,
Okay, sir.
Magadi, since the one online, let's quickly look at chemistry before, if time permits, we move to natural products.
Okay, sir.
Have you gone through the video I attached on the visual learning environment?
The introduction video.
Yes.
Yes,
About,
yes,
about alcohol.
I didn't go through it, sir.
You didn't get it?
I didn't go through it, sir.
Okay, okay. So it is there. And then
Okay.
maybe when you have time, you go through it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Akande Tosin, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Nice having you on the platform. And today, as
Thank you, sir.
yeah, I was talking with Magazi. This is our first lecture online, right? And organic chemistry is a very simple course, and I believe you people will pass it with A. So let's quickly look at the definition of alcohol. We can define alcohol as a compound on which the hydrogen atom of an alkane has been replaced by OH. If you can recall, in 102, we know what alkanes are under hydrocarbons. Are you with me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm trying to explain what alcohol is like. If you are not steady, right?
I'm steady, sir.
You are steady. Akande Tosin,
yes, sir.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, okay. Before we commence learning on the topic alcohol, I want us to refresh our mind back by studying hydrocarbons. We all know what hydrocarbons are, right? Patrick?
Yes, I'm with you.
Yeah. If you can recall, we say hydrocarbons are compounds that contain hydrogen and carbon.
Yes.
And then they are under a class called alkanes, right? And
yes,
they are characterized by a general formula CN H2N plus 2. That's alkane. Now we can define alcohol through alkane by saying that alcohols are compounds in which hydrogen atom of an alkane is removed and replaced by hydroxyl group, that is OH group. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
from the general formula of alkane, that we say CnH2n plus 2. Now, since we have removed one hydrogen and replaced it with OH, now the general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. And the functional group of alcohol, always remember, is OH. We normally write it as ROH. That R represent an alkyl group or aryl group. Now, having said that, we know the definition of alcohol as compounds in which one hydrogen atom is replaced by OH. And we say alcohol has a general formula of CnH2n plus 1 OH. And we said the functional group of alcohol is OH. That is what makes alcohol regain its property as an alcohol, is that OH. Alcohol can also be called alkanol. Alkanol. Now, the objective of this learning include having understood the definition of alcohol. We'll go further and see the classification of alcohol. Patrick, are you with me? Patrick, you are offline. Tosin, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but I've not been seeing you. Only your name I'm seeing. What's the problem with your camera? Yeah, I'm seeing you now.
Mm.
So, Tosin, you know the definition of alcohol now, right? Magazi,
Yes, sir.
can you define alcohol for me?
Yes, sir.
So go ahead.
As you said, sir, alcohol is a compound in which one hydrogen atom of alkane is removed or replaced by hydroxyl group OH.
Yes. And where is
And
Tosin? Can you tell me the general formula of alcohol?
The general formula for alcohol is OH.
No, this is a functional group.
No.
OH is the functional group. General formula.
Okay.
Do you remember the general formula of alkane?
Okay.
Hydrocarbon.
Yes.
Is CnH2n
Sir,
plus
okay.
1 OH. Did you get that?
Yes, sir. CnH2n plus
1 OH.
1.
1 OH. That's
Okay,
the
sir.
general formula of alcohol.
Okay.
Yeah, what you said earlier is the functional group. So having said that, let's look at how alcohols are being classified. We can classify alcohol based on the number of OH groups based on the number of hydroxyl groups. We have monohydric alcohol. We have dihydric alcohol. We have trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohols are alcohols that contain only one OH. When an alcohol contains only one OH, it is referred to as monohydric alcohol. When the OH, there are two, then it is referred to as dihydric alcohol. When the hydroxyl group are three, they are called trihydric alcohol. Now, a situation may arise when we may have more than three hydroxyl groups, 4, 5, 6, 7 attached to the molecule. So that kind of alcohol can be said to be polyhydric because the OH group are many. Then another classification of alcohol is based on the number of alkyl groups attached to the hydroxyl bonded carbon atom. I said we can classify alcohol again according to the number of alkyl groups attached to the hydroxyl bonded carbon atom. There we have primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, and quaternary alcohol.
Sorry, sir, the last one.
Quaternary alcohol. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me get one note here. So, Margaret, can you tell me how to classify alcohol according to the hydroxyl group?
Yes, sir.
Margaret,
Yes, sir.
can you please tell me how to classify alcohol according to the number of hydroxyl groups?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
One is monohydride.
Monohydric. Monohydric.
Monohydride. Yes, sir. Monohydride
Hydric.
is a classification of alcohols that contain only one hydroxyl group.
Yes, only one OH group.
Then
Right?
dihydric contain two hydroxyl groups.
Yes.
Then trihydric contain three hydroxyl groups.
Good. That means this classification is based according to the number of hydroxyl group, right?
On.
Good. Now,
Yes, sir.
the other classification we said is based on the number of alkyl group, right? Attached to the
Yes, sir.
hydroxyl bonded atom. We
Yes,
have
sir.
primary alcohol,
Yes.
which contain only what? One alkyl group. Then we have secondary alcohol, which contain two alkyl groups. Then we have tertiary alcohol. These contain three alkyl groups. For quaternary alcohol, it is not all that common. So let's keep it silent now. We have
Okay.
primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Now, in summary, having known the definition of alcohol as compound in which one hydrogen of an alkane is replaced by hydroxyl group. And we said the functional group of alcohol is OH.
Yes.
And we said the general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1OH. Now, we went further to look at how alcohols are being classified. We said they are broadly classified into two. The first classification is based on the number of hydroxyl group, right?
Yes, sir.
While the second broad classification is based on the number of alkyl groups attached to the hydroxyl bonded carbon atom. Under the first group, which is according to the number of hydroxyl group, as we said, we have monohydric, which contains one hydroxyl group. We have dihydric, which contains two hydroxyl groups. We have trihydric, which contains three hydroxyl groups. Then the second broad classification, which is based on the number of alkyl groups attached to the hydroxyl bonded carbon atom, we have primary alcohol. These are alcohols that contain only one alkyl group attached to the hydroxyl bonded carbon atom. That is the carbon atom that carries that OH. We have only one alkyl group attached to it. The second is primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, sorry. These alcohols that contain two alkyl groups attached to the hydroxyl bonded carbon atom. The third one is tertiary alcohol. These are alcohols that contain three alkyl groups attached to the hydroxyl bonded carbon atom. As simple as A, B, C, D. Madam Rose, you are welcome to the platform.
Yes, sir.
So where were you when we started the lecture? You have not, it's not
I didn't know it.
next.
I didn't look at the time. I was getting ready. I didn't know that it's already time. I'm
Okay.
sorry about that, sir.
So our subsequent lectures now, you will be taking a mail, maybe if there's any adjustment, because this lecture, as I scheduled last week, supposed to commence by 10. But I've sent messages that we should start by 11:30.
I received the message, but I didn't know it was already time.
Okay. So now, the next thing we supposed to know under alcohol is the nomenclature. How do we name them and draw their structure? Now, if you can recall back, under hydrocarbons that you people have treated, let's take the saturated hydrocarbon, which is alkane. Who can tell me the first member series of alkane?
Methane.
Yes, methane.
Methane.
Yes. Methane, it has a formula of CH4.
CH4.
But if you have a pen,
Yes,
please write it, CH4.
Yes, sir.
Have you all written CH4?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is methane, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
from the definition of alcohol, we say they are compounds in which one hydrogen atom of an alkane is removed and replaced by OH. Now, this methane that you wrote down is under alkane, right? Now, under it, write CH3. Under that methane, write CH3, which is methyl, right? Now, let's remove one hydrogen. Then in front of the H3, write OH.
OH.
Yes. So now what we have there is CH3 OH, right?
Yes, sir.
That formula represents a compound in which one hydrogen is removed and replaced by OH, right?
Yes,
now,
sir.
what is in our front now is no more an alkane, but alcohol. Now, if the name of CH4 is methane, then the name of CH3OH is going to be
methanol.
Methanol, right?
No. Methanol. Yes, sir.
Methanol.
Methanol. Yes, sir.
Yes, NOL, methanol. Now let's go further. The second series of alkane, you write it down. C2H6. Now remove one hydrogen atom and replace it with OH. C2H6. Now under it, when you remove one hydrogen, what are you going to get if you replace it with OH?
C2H5OH.
H5OH.
Good. C2H5OH, right?
OH.
And
yes, sir.
It will be what?
Ethanol.
Ethanol.
Is ethanol a monohydric alcohol or dihydric alcohol?
Monohydrate.
Monohydrate.
Why is it monohydrate?
Because it has only one hydroxyl group.
Good. It contains only one hydroxyl group. Is it primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, or tertiary alcohol?
Primary.
It's primary.
Why is it primary?
Because it has only one alkyl group.
Good. It only have one alkyl group, right? The C3.
Yes, sir.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
We are moving. Now, Patrick.
Yes, sir.
I want you to name the alcohol that is derived from C6H14. C6H14.
C6H14, sir.
Yes, that's the assignment. I will ask you later on. Tosin? Tosin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I want you to deduce the name of an alcohol from C4H10.
From C?
C4H10.
Okay, sir.
Rose.
Sir?
Rosemary, are you there?
Yes, I'm hearing you, sir.
Yes. C7H16.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
C7H16. So all of you, everybody should write the suitcase of an alcohol there. Monohydric alcohol. Replace one hydrogen with OH. Then you draw the structure and name it for me. Who is ready?
Mine is heptanol, sir.
Your own is
Heptanol.
heptanol. Good.
Yes.
Correct. The next person?
Mine is butanol.
Butanol. Yes.
Yeah.
The next person? Okafo. Don't allow ladies to kiss you.
I'm coming, sir.
You are the first person to tell me the answer. What is the answer? Magaji. Magaji Ibrahim.
Yes, sir.
Are you there, Magaji?
Yes, sir.
You are on is
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
C10, H22. C4H22.
Yes,
That's
sir.
on. Magaji, I've not been seeing you online. What is the problem? Is your camera having problem? Check your
Maybe
camera.
it's network. Maybe it's network, sir.
I'm only seeing Patrick, Rosemary, and Tosi. Magaji, I've not seen you.
Okay, sir. I'll be online. Let me send the place.
Check your camera, please. Check your camera setting. Now, Rosemary,
Sir,
your own formula is C what?
C7H15OH. For the
Now,
heptanol, C7H15OH.
so all of us let's draw the structure of Rosemary's alcohol. So let's start. Let's separate the carbon into 7 places. We have carbon 1 dash, carbon 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
carbon 3 dash,
1, 2, 3,
4
4, 5,
dash,
6.
6 dash 7. Justin, are you through? Spread the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have you done that?
I didn't get that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, let's circulate them all with hydrogen. You understand what I mean? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See my paper? Now,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
don't
6,
put
7.
the hydrogen at the
1, 2,
extreme
3,
end
5, 6,
by the
7.
right-hand side, OH. This is our heptanol, right?
Yes, sir. I've done that, sir.
Heptanol. Now,
Yes, sir.
I hope
Yes, sir.
everybody is with me.
Yes, we are with you, sir.
Yes. Now, that OH,
Yes, sir.
that OH, cancel that O, leave only that H. Have you done that? Cancel that O, leave only H there.
Okay.
So this is not an alcohol, right? It's not more an alcohol. This is an alkane.
No, sir, it's not.
It's not alcohol.
An alkane, yes, sir.
It's an alkane. Go. Now, let's count
Yes, sir.
from the left-hand side, going toward the right. Let's count carbon number 1,
1, 2,
carbon number 2.
1, 2, 3.
Put that OH there. Put that OH
Okay, at carbon number 2.
2.
Okay.
I hope you have cleaned that O.
Yes, sir.
The OH you have now is at carbon number 2.
Yes, sir.
So how are we going to name the compound? This is not
1,
normal
2, 3, 4.
heptanol we know. The OH is at carbon number 2, right?
2, yes, sir.
This compound, what?
Hepta 2 all.
Good. Let me clap.
Heptan 2 all.
You try. Heptan.
Thank you, sir.
Heptan
2
all.
All.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes it is written 2-heptanol.
No. Okay.
Either heptan 2 all or 2-heptanol.
Hepta.
Now,
okay,
the
sir.
same structure, the same heptan 2 all. At the same carbon atom, put another OH. That means carbon number 2 is carrying 2 OH.
Yes, sir.
Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Let's count. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, we have OH, right? And that carbon number 2,
Yes, sir.
again, we have
Yes.
another OH. So
Yes,
we
sir.
are going to name this compound as heptan 2,
Thank to thou.
comma, 2 again.
Down.
Then because 2 of
Okay,
them
that's
say
2.
die,
Okay.
all. Heptan 2, 2,
2,
die,
2.
all.
Dial. Okay, sir.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's go again and put another OH at carbon number 3. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's name this compound. We have 7 carbon atoms, right? Which still remain
Yes, sir.
heptan, right? Then
Yes, sir.
we get at carbon number 2, we have OH. At carbon number 2 again, we have OH.
Yeah.
At carbon number 3, we have OH. How many of them? 3.
3.
3.
Let's try all.
Oh.
Heptan 2, 2, 3,
2, 2, 3.
3 try all.
Trial.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Very, very
3.
simple, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want all of us to write at least 4 isomers of CH, H17, OH.
Says, repeat, sir. C.
CH, H17, OH.
H7.
OH.
4H.
Yes. So I want you at least to give me 3 different names, 3 different isomers of this. You manipulate
1, 2,
the
3,
number,
4,
I mean
5,
the
6.
position of the OH.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So I've not gotten the compound here, sir. Say CH.
I say C8,
Okay.
C8,
Yes, sir.
H17, H17,
Yes, sir.
then OH.
Okay.
I want you to draw at your own 3 different structures.
One, two, three, four, five, six.
6,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Any name?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just I know.
I'm still waiting.
Octanol.
Octanol. One. Another one. If you change the position of the OH.
Two octanol.
Yes, but I prepare the IUPAC name. Octan 2-ol.
Okay.
No.
Octa 2-ol. Octan
Yeah.
2-ol.
Yeah.
Then 2,2.
No.
2,2.
Go
Sorry,
ahead.
I wanted to. Okay, let me try. I wanted to do it. Okay, 2,2. That you said isomer of octanol. So 2,2 dimethyl.
2,2 dimethyl.
Dimethyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hexanol.
Dimethyl what?
2,2 dimethyl. Hexanol. That is hexanol.
Hexanol. Okay, now
Yes,
let's all of us confirm Rosemary's 2,2 dimethyl hexanol. So hexane is 6 carbon, right? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So let's write 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms, right?
6. Yes, sir.
OH
Yes, sir.
is at carbon number 1, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll put it. Then at carbon number 2, I have
2. I have 2 methyl.
I have my methyl. So let's see how many carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see the mistake there, madam?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The methyl 1, the other one 1. That is 8. That is 8 carbon atom.
You said 2,2 dimethyl hexanol, right?
2,2. That is, yes, sir.
Good.
The hexane has 6 carbon atoms.
Hexane has 6 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, plus
right?
the 2, 4,
Then
5, 6.
plus the other
Then plus the 2
carbon,
methyl.
8.
2 carbons, yes.
Yes. Are we clear, all of us? The other participants?
Yes, sir.
Good. So
Yes, sir.
Rosemary gave us 2 isomers. Now, who again will give us another one? Anybody that manipulated his phone?
Okay, let me see, try. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's taking longer. Do we take it as home activity, not class activity now?
Sir, hello, can I ask a question, sir?
Yeah, God.
Hello, sir.
I'm hearing you.
Can I ask a question, sir?
Ask.
Can we put the OH group in both ends?
At the bottom.
There's both ends. The 2 at the end, yes, the 2 extreme carbon atoms. Can we get it like that? Just as we get in the teleglycol.
Another one, or you remove this one. Hello.
Okay, that must be one within the 2 carbon.
Okay, now let's cancel that OH and put it as the extreme end. Right?
Okay.
So now,
yes, sir, that's what I'm saying. Yes, sir.
Please, this is very important question. Let's all of us, have you all get the structure of Rosemary's 2,2 dimethyl hexanol? Huh?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
So now let's cancel that OH and take it back to the extreme end carbon atom.
Okay.
Our OH is at carbon number 2. Our OH is at carbon number 1. Then the next carbon, we have carbon on top, carbon down, right? Now go to the extreme end and
yes, sir.
OH. Okay, that's your question, Rosemary.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, if we see this structure, right? Now you always
Yes,
give
sir. Yes, sir.
that functional group priority. If you are numbering, you start
Okay.
numbering where OH
Yes,
is
sir.
situated. So
Okay,
our
sir.
answer now is the carbon that is bearing the OH is 1, right? Then we go to
Yes,
3,
sir.
4, and 5,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
So what is going to be the name? Five, 5, dimethyl hexanol, right?
Okay.
Is it
Okay.
5 dimethyl.
Is a
5,
no.
5 dimethyl hexanol, right?
Is a no.
I don't understand,
Okay.
sir.
Now,
Hello, sir.
yeah, I'm hearing you.
Sir, I don't understand. No.
Now, but you understand the first one, right?
Yes, sir.
That 2,2 dimethyl hexanol, you know that one.
Yes, I
Now,
know that one, sir.
we have removed that OH. Now, that
Okay.
OH, yeah, Makazi, you are welcome. See now. We have removed that OH and bring it to the extreme end carbon atom.
Okay.
Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, this one, you cannot say 2,2 again because of the functional group OH. The functional group always must be a smallest possible number if you are counting.
Okay.
So that this counting now is going to be from that OH. The way we counted from that OH and we found 2,2. So we are going to start counting from OH
Yes.
to meet the carbon, the substance at carbon 5, 5. You get that?
Yes.
Now, for that question,
Sir.
let's look at another example. Draw,
Okay, okay, sir.
you said, draw 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon, then I bond, carbon, bond, carbon, bond, or carbon dash, 5 of them.
I draw, sir.
You, all of you draw, right?
We have done it, sir.
Good. Then at the second carbon, from your
Okay.
right, the second carbon.
From the left, from
yes,
the right.
from the right.
Okay, sir.
Put
On
OH.
the right. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have done that, right?
OH, ba?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From your right, second carbon OH, right? Now there are
Yes, sir.
two ways.
Sir, we have done that,
There are
sir.
two ways that in which we are going to name this compound, and it's only one that is correct.
Okay.
To answer the previous question that the former participant asked. Now the name of this compound is, let's start numbering the carbon atom. We have carbon number 1 from the right,
Yes.
right? Carbon number
Yes, sir.
Yes.
here's our OH, right? Then carbon
Yes.
number 3,
Yes, sir.
carbon number 4, carbon number 5.
I'm
And
5.
5.
Now the name of this compound is, what is the longest carbon chain there? Pentane, right?
Yeah.
We have
1,
pen,
2, 3. It's 5.
pen,
10.
2, all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Pen 2.
2,
Oh.
all, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Now, let's number the carbon atom anti-clockwise. So that 5 is 1 now.
Okay.
That 4 is 2 now. That 3 still remains 3. Right? That 2 is
Yes,
now
sir.
2.
4.
That carbon number 1 is 5.
Yes, sir.
So let's name it now. We have 1, 2, 3. At carbon number 4, we have OH, right?
Yes, sir.
So the name is going to be pent-4-ol.
Four.
All. Yes, sir.
You have two names there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And it is only one that is correct. Magaji, can you tell us which one is correct?
Sir,
Magaji,
I think pen.
pardon? Which one is the correct answer out of the two? Network? Hello? 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 Are you hearing me? Hello?
We are with you, sir.
We are with you, sir. We're hearing you, sir.
Okay, I'm asking Magaji, which one is this? Like we have a small network problem. Magaji, what is the correct, which one is the correct answer?
Pen 2 all, sir, is the correct answer.
Pen 2,
Pen 2 all.
Why?
All is the correct answer, sir.
yes, why? Why?
Because you always start from right hand side.
No, it's not because of we start from right hand side. Me, I'm a lefty now.
Okay.
The simple
So
answer
you
is
begin
that
the
OH, that
the
OH
OH, which
is what qualifies this particular compound to be an alcohol, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
If I remove that OH and put another thing entirely different, let's say CO, this one has become ketone. If I put
so let me
CHO, it has become an aldehyde. If I put COOH, it has become carboxylic acid. So this
Yes, sir.
gives this compound its property. It makes this compound to become what it is. Are you clear? So always we give
Yes,
Yes,
priority
sir.
to that OH. We make sure that during counting, that OH receives the smallest possible number.
It's busy.
Okay.
Exactly.
You understand? That's why we
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
send 2-all. It's not because we can't right or left. You can't right, left, sideways, anywhere you count. But make sure that that OH, you started counting from it. Are we clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, at carbon number 2, okay, let's leave this one. I want you, have you downloaded your materials from courseware?
Yes, sir.
All of you have your CHM305.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Hmm?
I have it, sir.
It's like Magaji, you don't have it. Now, you can go to your learning environment.
Sir, I have it, but it's inside my phone.
Is inside your phone? But what is going
Inside my phone. I have it, sir.
you're using your
have
phone?
is inside of
Yes, sir. I'm using my phone, sir.
What is going to happen is anytime we are going to do Zoom meeting, you are going to have two phones. You are using phone, not a system, right?
Yes, sir. I'm using phone.
So you try and get two phones. One in which
Okay,
you are
okay, sir.
meeting, and the other one you'll be opening it and be seeing the textbook, right?
Oh, okay, sir.
So,
I'll do that, sir.
good. Page 7, there is a self-assessment exercise there. There is a self-assessment.
Page 7.
Yes, page 7. You just write it down. Page 7. After you do
Okay.
page 7, we have
Okay, sir.
activity A, self-assessment exercise.
Yes,
Number
sir.
1, draw the structure of the following alcohol and classify them as primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. We have butan 1-ol, we have 2-methyl pent 2-ol, we have pent 2-ol. sentence 2 off. So these are your class, your homework. Huh? Try and do it, please.
Okay, sir.
So I think we
Sir,
have,
I've not.
you know, fasting. My stomach is eating now.
Yeah, so
Hold on, sir.
I know Magaji don't want to talk. He's also fasting. You don't want to talk.
of course.
So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm Dr. Mohamed Hassan Shagal. You are facilitator for CHM318 and at the same time 305. I hope all you are
05.
the boss, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, natural product organic chemistry. So this is a
Yes,
brief
sir.
class that we'll have today and we'll end maybe before our next Saturday class. If I'm ready for the natural product, you will see the link on the mail, in your mail,
Okay.
with the
Okay,
time.
sir.
Okay, sir.
So always be constantly checking your mail, preferable
Okay, sir.
before you sleep, because I may decide to send a text maybe in the evening around 6, 7 p.m., right? So
Okay, sir.
we check. Maybe the following day, I may gather also that we'll have some Zoom class. As I said
Okay,
earlier,
sir.
organic chemistry is very, very simple. Very, very simple. When you follow it gently, don't rush. All right?
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
excuse me, sir. Sure, we are supposed to have a class by 318.
that natural product, we have class by one natural product. But
Yes, sir.
the materials are not that ready. So
Okay,
that's why
sir.
I said this 1 o'clock lecture, yeah?
Yes, sir.
We may have it maybe on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
That's why I said taking my mail.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
No
okay,
problem,
sir.
sir.
Send another link for you for the natural product. The one we're supposed to have.
Oh,
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
No problem,
We're
sir.
supposed
Okay,
to have
sir.
because, sincerely speaking, I'm a little bit exhausted because of hunger. You know, hungry man is a hungry man. This is almost 1 o'clock.
That's true, sir.
Assuming that is not because of this fasting, I don't have said immediately we finish the organic chemistry, we jump into natural.
Just
But pardon me
okay,
for that,
sir.
right?
No problem, sir. Your
Okay, sir.
pardon, sir.
By tomorrow evening or Monday morning, you will see link to natural product, right?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So in an absence of that thing, I know your name all as Rosemary, which I nicknamed her 2,2-dimethyl hexanol. Yeah, welcome. And Tosin,
Thank you, sir.
Patrick, nice meeting you, right?
Thank
So
you, sir.
I will off my Zoom class till another day. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You're
Thank you,
welcome,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.